Hello everyone, I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the 4G aggregation support test in the Poco M3 Pro device. As you can see, friends, this is the Poco M3 Pro, which I did get this today only. And a lot of viewers are really interested to know how much capable of the Poco M3 Pro actually is in terms of the connectivity. So right now, I'm doing this testing completely indoor in the studio environment. So only few phones will be able to receive the 4G plus aggregation. So let's see whether this phone is one of that phone or not. And right now, I'll try to use two SIM cards, which is a Jio and another is a Airtel. So these two SIM cards right now, they do available the 4G plus in my inside studio environment, not the vSIM card. So that is the reason I did not use the vSIM card at this point. So I thought of using only the SIMs which are actually supported with the 4G plus. Only those I'm trying to use in this video. Let's see, friends, which phone, whether this Poco M3 Pro will be able to detect any kind of 4G plus aggregation or not. That is what I'm going to check right now in this video. And I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison speed test with plenty of other smartphones. So make sure to stay tuned for those in-depth comparisons, so which I'm going to do the next couple of days. So if you have any other perfect video comparison if you want me to do, make sure to comment below, friends. Definitely I'll try to do my best to post the video. So right now, as you can see, friends, I'm trying to use the Airtel and the Jio SIM card. So two SIM cards I'm trying to keep in the Poco M3 Pro. Let's see. I'll try to test one by one. So we'll get to know which phone will be, which SIM will be able to have the 4G plus aggregation in my inside studio. That is what I'm going to see. And I'll definitely compare a lot of comparison with the iQOO 7 and iQOO Z3 mainly iQOO mobile phones particularly. So I'll try to see how is the signals between this phone versus other phones. So make sure to check other videos in my YouTube. If you can type 4G plus Sai Tech, you can find all the videos which are uploaded before. So right now I'm getting the signals, as you can clearly see, friends, on the top. Let me show you the settings and which SIM is what type of SIM and which SIM I'm trying to use right now. You'll get to know more details. As you can see, friends, SIM 1 is a Airtel and SIM 2 is a Jio. You can clearly see that, as you can see. And the data first turned on in the Airtel. As you can see, friends, you can clearly see the difference between both. So data turned on in the Airtel. So then I'll try to switch to the Jio SIM. So now in the Airtel SIM, as you can clearly see, there is no 4G plus aggregation, which I can see on the top of the notification. As you can see, you can just only see the 4G. There is nothing 4G plus. But let's see by opening the NetMonster application whether you will be able to detect or not. And let us slightly open the NetMonster application. And right now, as you can see, friends, you can only see LTE 900. So you don't get any kind of plus symbol. As you can clearly see, friends, you're not getting any kind of plus. Only LTE 900. Even let me need to open the RX Monitor application as well. So even if you open the RX Monitor application, so same things, I think you'll get the same kind of results. There is no aggregation, as you can clearly see, friends. There is no aggregation at all. But let's see how much speeds we can get the Airtel SIM if I try to use in my studio. That is what I'll try to do in this video. I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison with plenty of other smartphones as well, in case if you are interested. So is the Poco M3 Pro, friends, as you can clearly see. So right now I'm getting the speeds about 5 Mbps and 8 Mbps, 10 Mbps as well, 12, 13 Mbps, 14. This with the Airtel SIM without any kind of 4G plus inside studio environment, indoor condition. I'm trying to do completely indoor condition. And you can see the bandwidth as well, 900. And right now I got about 11 Mbps speeds and 6 Mbps of upload speeds. As you can see, friends, clearly. So this with using with the Airtel SIM only. So I'll try to do the test one more time. Let's see the second time how much speeds we can get actually in the Poco M3 Pro. So second time the speeds went up to 16 Mbps is the highest, 17 is the highest recorded speed, 17 Mbps. As you can see, friends, 17 Mbps is the highest recorded speed. That's the one thing. And upload speeds are not that high. It's only 7 Mbps upload speeds. As you can clearly see, friends, upload speeds not that much. So this is the 2 times testings when I did this much of score. I got 14 Mbps using Airtel SIM. I'll try to mainly compare with the iQOO phones, because iQOO phones are the one which have a lot of difficulty in terms of the network connectivity. That is what I'm going to concentrate more, comparing this phone versus iQOO Z3 and iQOO 7 mainly particularly. So stay tuned for those video, friends. Those comparisons going to be really very interesting and challenging. So right now the 5 Mbps of upload speeds we are getting in this phone. So we done the 3 times testing. So that's, as you can see, friends, 3 times testing, 6, 14 and 11 by using the Airtel SIM card. Let me try to go back and let me try to turn on the data for the SIM 2. which is a Jio SIM card. As you can see, SIM 2 I'm trying to turn on. As you can see right now, you can see the signals coming, and the band also got changed to 850 band. You can see on the top. Now it's 900. Let me try to open the Net Monster or maybe RX Monitor application to show you. As you can see friends, right now Airtel is showing 900 and the Jio 4G is showing 1800 band. As you can see, Jio 4G is showing 1800 band. So now let me try to go back and open the RX Monitor application. There is no aggregation. So inside my studio, 2 SIM cards in this Poco M3 Pro, I'm not getting any kind of aggregation inside my studio environment. So let's see the Jio, how much the Jio speeds can be there with the one single point in the notification bar. Only 1 point. So with that 1 point, you're getting speeds up to 5 Mbps, 6 Mbps of speeds, 7 Mbps of speeds, 6. So these are extreme indoor conditions friends, extreme indoor conditions. That is why you are seeing this kind of less score with the extreme indoor conditions. So 5.7. So let's see the upload speeds, how much we will be getting upload. I think upload is not that great in terms of the Jio SIM card. So clearly friends, in the Poco M3 Pro, so even in the low signal mode, maybe indoor conditions, even the Poco M3 Pro cannot get the 4G plus, but this phone actually supports 4G plus. So I'll try to do the outdoor test as well. This is just the indoor basic test I'm trying to do. So if I try to do the outdoor test, you will get to know all the results. So but in this location friends, only few phones will get the 4G plus. As I said, only few phones. So that is the reason, type in the YouTube 4G plus SciTech Guru and you can watch complete in detail reviews. Which phone is better in the indoor condition as well. So right now the speeds are not that much increased, only 1 Mbps and 2 Mbps I'm getting. So well friends, this is the final conclusion in the Poco M3 Pro device. So the indoor condition in terms of the 4G place, you cannot get the aggregation in the indoor environment. Same like the IQC device, what I did find out. But I'll try to do the mainly the download speed test comparison with other smartphones by downloading the application from the Play Store. So we'll get to know the speeds, how much it is. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested to know more details. So I'm more happy to solve your problems if you have any other queries regarding the smartphone. So make sure to comment below friends, and thank you for watching this video friends. That is a video. That's it for all, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.